Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share an Instagram story with friends or save it for later, the latest update to Instagram on PC makes it easier than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to copy a story link directly from the Instagram app on your computer. Start by opening the Instagram app or heading to Instagram.com on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your stories and those shared by others. Once you're in, look for the story you want to share. You'll find stories at the top of your feed, represented by profile pictures in circles. Click on the profile picture of the account whose story you want to open. The story will pop up on your screen, ready for the next step. Now look toward the top of the page. You'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the menu for more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several choices, but the one you want is labeled Copy URL or Copy Link. Click on Copy URL. Instantly, the link to this specific story is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere you like, send it in a message, drop it into an email, or share it on another social platform. Just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can copy and share any Instagram story link directly from your PC. This update is perfect for anyone who wants to share special moments, promote content, or simply keep friends in the loop, all without switching devices. Try it out the next time you find a story worth sharing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with your friends in new ways on Instagram.